Ben's Garage. We've got the Tracmax Privilos on the Range Rover 255 50x20 109Y. Yes, it passed its CT. We'll go for a little drive and see what we sort of our conclusions of these budget tyres are. They are cheap and probably rather shit, but yeah. So we'll go for a drive. We'll get the decibel meter on at some point and see what they perform like. I've already driven them, so I do have a rough idea. Now the grabbers that we put on were 255 55, so they had a slightly deeper sidewall, which took a lot of the harshness out of the ride. We're back down to 50 profile road tyres, so let's get up the road and see what it's like. So far so good, nice smooth drive, but you do feel a lot more through the steering wheel. I have to apologise for the shakiness. I'm just holding the camera at the minute, but you do get a lot more feel through the steering wheel, so we'll see what it's like up through these bends in a minute. So as I said, it's quite smooth and does feel a bit more responsive. Just take this bend. There's sort of no wallow in the tyres or anything like that. So far so good. Let's take this bend. Not bad, not bad. One more.
I can count, that was 2.
They do feel quite responsive. Luckily the road's quite dry at the moment, so I don't know what it's like in wet conditions, but we'll drive a bit further and I'll give you my thoughts a bit later on.
Don't know why. Road tyre should be quite louder than an off-road tyre.
So far so good. The car's quite smooth. Blue Dart, carp fishery. That sounds very English.
It probably is. Or it's aimed at the English.
I don't know if I've been down this road.
Just keep... You You stay on this road until you get to St Hilaire now. It's just, it is a bit windy in parts.
Yeah. It's pretty good. They're quite noisy tyres compared to the grabbers. The grabbers used to sit around 62, 64 decibels. These road tyres are 68, 69. Not quite sure what that's all about, but they're not noisy, but if quiet is your thing, these are not for you. Straight on?
Yeah, you stay on this road until you get to St Hilaire.
There is a lot of lakes around here, isn't there? You do get a lot more feel through the steering, and you can sort of feel what's going on under the car a lot more with these tyres than you can with the general grabbers, but that's the sidewall, and I've said that before. But it drives a nice straight line, hands off the wheel, look. They've obviously done a good job balancing the tyres. There's no shakes through the wheel or anything like that. It's pretty damn good. And in this video you'd have been seeing a bit of the countryside as well. It's a bit miserable out today, no sun.
It's coming later, apparently. They're actually forecasting 15 days of it. Yeah, but expect cold.
So that's it for this tyre video. Quite impressed with them. Obviously we don't know how long they're going to last, the duration. It's quite a heavy car, they do get through tyres quite quickly. But yeah, it's smooth, car feels nice, it's very responsive through the steering. And it's about our best option really, because we wasn't going to go for any more expensive tyres. We've spent enough on tyres and wheels as it is. So that's going to be it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you next one. Bye for now.